Howdy champs, my name is Mohit and guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple banner in Adobe Flash Professional CS6. So let me show you a published preview first by hitting Control Enter on the keyboard, guys. So we have the word Adobe, then the word Flash, and then the word Professional CS6, the phrase Professional CS6 coming in. See guys, we have a fade in effect as well. The words come from left to the right, and then they disappear. The second word comes and disappears, and the third phrase comes and it disappears too. Although it may seem very simple, it's not so very simple if you were to do it without understanding the logic that goes behind it. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to replicate the same thing in a new different separate file. Everything here was done purely on the timeline guide. There was no action script involved at all. So let me start and show you how this was actually done. Let me save a file in a new. Okay, I'm happy to go with the width of 550, the height of 400, the frame rate of 24. Everything is the default, guys. The background color is white, which is again the default. Let me say okay. Let me hit the text tool, guys, and let me write some text out here. Let me say Adobe. Okay, let me convert this text to a movie clip. So right click, convert to symbol, keeping the registration point top left, making sure it's a movie clip, guys. Let me say okay. At the same time, guys, I'm going to open up the Aligns tool. I'm going to make sure Align to Stage is checked on, and I'm going to click out here to align the text vertically, centrally, top, bottom. Okay. At the same time, guys, I'm going to make sure it's slightly offset from the stage. So I'm going to set the X to a -200. All right. So it's it's away from the left edge of the stage by a few pixels. Right. Then, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the motion preset panel. Okay, I'm going to select fly in left. There are so many motion presets available out here. I'm going to select fly in left. I'm going to hit apply. The moment I do that, guys, it's actually been applied, and if you notice out here on layer number 1, 24 frames have been auto generated. Let me hit Control Enter to show you what I've just done. Okay, cool. Next, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that the playhead is sitting on the 24th frame. I'm going to select the word Adobe or the symbol. It's a movie clip symbol now. I'm going to open up the Aligns panel, guys. I'm going to make sure that I click on Align Horizontal Center, making sure that the word Adobe is perfectly in the center. At the same time, guys, I'm going to make sure that I extend the timeline up to the 50th frame to make the animation go a little slower. Let me hit Control Enter and show you what have I exactly done. Cool. Next, guys, I'm going to copy the motion by right clicking anywhere between the first and the 50th frame. That's a right click, and I'm going to say copy motion. All right. Next, guys, I'm going to lock the layer up and I'm going to make it invisible. Okay, I'm going to generate one more layer. I'm going to take the playhead back to the very first frame out here. I'm going to type some more text using the text tool. Okay, let me say flash out here. Let me make sure that it's a movie clip, so I'm going to right click out here. I'm going to say convert to symbol, making sure it's a movie clip. Let me say okay. Let me open up the Aligns panel, guys, and click out here to align vertically, centrally. Okay, at the same time I'm going to set the X to a -200 so that it's just a little away from the left edge of the stage. Okay, this -200 could be a -150 or 100 also. That's okay, you don't need to be so accurate. Okay, after which, guys, I'm going to right click out here. I'm going to say paste motion. Okay, and then, guys, I'm going to take the playhead to the 50th frame. I want to be sure that the word flash is bang in the center of the stage. So I'm going to select the word flash. I'm going to open up the Aligns tool, and then I'm going to click on Align Horizontal Center. So you see it actually shifts just that little bit. Now it's perfectly in the center of the stage. Very, very cool. Okay, again, I'm gonna lock the layer and make it invisible. I'm gonna open up or generate one more layer, layer number 3. I'm gonna make sure the playhead is on the very first frame. Okay, then, guys, I'm gonna click out here on the text tool. I'm gonna type one more word, which is Professional CS6. Okay, again, I'm going to right click out here using the selection tool. I'm going to say convert to symbol, keeping the registration point top left, making sure it's a movie clip. Let me say okay. Open up the Aligns panel, guys, and click out here to align it vertically, centrally. Okay, make the X this time 100. Okay, let's go with minus 450 this time, not 200 guys. Okay, because this is a bigger word, I just want to displace it a little away from the edge. Again, this is, you know, don't need to be very accurate with this. That's absolutely all right. Just make sure that it's a little outside and away from the left edge. Okay, I'm going to right click again. I'm going to say paste motion once again. Right, I'm going to take the playhead onto the 50th frame, and then I want to make sure the professional CS6 comes bang in the center of the stage. So I'm going to open up the alliance panel guys. I'm going to click on this symbol to align horizontally centrally. Okay, now guys, everything seems to be working just the way I wanted. Let me hit Control Enter to test. You see all the three words start and finish exactly on top of each other. That's exactly what I don't want. So it's very, you know, easy to manipulate from here on. Let me make sure all the layers are visible. Let me make sure all the layers are unlocked. Okay, let me click on layer number 2 like this. Let me drag the timeline, leave it out here so that it ends on the 100th frame. Let me click on the layer number 3 and drag the timeline and finish it at frame 150. I should be done. I should be sorted. Let me hit Control Enter to test. Adobe Flash Professional CS6, and I hope to see you very soon guys. You have a good day. Bye bye. Peace.